How to eliminate or remove the error that appears when Google Play isn't working. If this is your case, and Google Play isn't working, well, don't worry, because in this video tutorial we're going to explain the correct steps to fix it in the easiest and fastest way. Google Play freezes, or suddenly an error appears. Why do these errors occur? You can see that the settings also freeze. Sometimes this happens. Well, I'm going to explain what you're going to do. You're going to go here to Applications. Now, once you're in Applications, you're going to locate the option that says All Apps. They'll be here. You're going to click here. And now you're going to look for Google Play Services. You're going to look for the Google Play Services app here. You're going to click here where it says Storage. What are you going to do? You're going to click Clear Cache, and then Clear Data, or Clear Storage. We're going to do those two options after we do that. Now what we're going to do is open the application. Since we've deleted the data, it sometimes happens that it's a little slow. Sometimes it takes a little while, but we wait. The screen stays black and then it takes us to the Applications section.